This time, I am teaching you on how to test your gathered data using the One-Way ANOVA with the use of the Microsoft Excel.
Hi there, I'm Jason, and you're watching
Jason!
Now, assuming that this is the appropriate test for your study, then the first step that you need to do is to input the set of your data in column A, B, and C. So we are assuming that we have three different groups for this example. Now, for column A, let's say we have 20, 18, 14, 16, and 12. Now, for column B, let's say we have 15, 14, 14, 11, and 10. Now, for column C, let's say we have 25, 20, 19, 18, and 22. From the toolbar, choose Data, and then look for the Data Analysis here. Click it. After clicking the Data Analysis, choose the ANOVA Single Factor, and then click OK. Type A1 colon C5 in the input range, and be sure to click columns. Take 0.05 as your alpha because this is the most commonly used alpha value. So you check labels in first row, and then in the output range, click it. Type E1 and click OK. So let's type E1 here, because this is where we want our outputs to be displayed. And then click OK. And there you have the results of the ANOVA. So you have here the summary table. So that's it. The steps are very easy and quick, so you better try these steps.